institution, not a military camp. This is an institution, not a military camp.
NEHU Students Union NEHUSU bat KSU NEHU Union hak no phai sngi jong ar phukhandai trek yayong arja arpusan kila penlong da Nongïalam ban persya ya jingsha kem Samla Sandi Sotun President kan NEHUSU bat kumjo ek jingwan rung jubor ki bor Pulit ke East Khasiels District lem ki Magister bat ki Pulit CRPF se campus ke University minha ka ar pupra trek yayong arja arpusan. Kini ki Samla Pule kila seiru da ki plakat ringkat ki jingthok penram ya ki bor penyat district. Kumpan syukudau, bahkan dok pai sengi jangka arpu praterik uyayong arja arpusan. Kibor Pulit ban Magister ke East Khasiels District. Lem ki Pulit CRPF, kila Wanshu University hadian ke jingsha kem Samla Sandi Sotun haka porman stem. Ke jingsha kem Samla Sandi ke dailing ba ke jingmudui ejahar haka arpusan terik uyayong arja arpusan. Dau Dr. Aluk Singh, unohi kai subjek Hindi ubala kenno, baula syak syok haka kenhun ki Samla Puli balam khamat dau Samla Sandi haka janmir jangka arpusau terik uyayong arja arpusan hakamra terik kam jong u. Nadu kapor bagi Wanha University ki Samla Pule ki labe bat Kim Sha ban Shong ha campus Henry ki bor Pulit ban Magister ki la pen baj hadu bagi Samla Pule ki la khanglut ya ki kerdop jong katai ke skol ba. Kat banang wan kamit ki Samla Pule ki la shemya karai ban lej no shala ki yeng balara ki wan ha ka step ka babut bat lap bagi Pulit ki dang don kin sa boycott ban Shong class Henry ha ka porman step jong ka arpu khandai trek yoyong arajar pusan la lap bagi Pulit ki la mi no naka university. Nakaliang Samla Kevin Nelson Wanrap General Secretary ka KSU NEHU Unit ulaong. Baga jingsha kem President NEHUSU ka tang ka buit parab ka bala pendan kam do Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla banyo biang ban Wansha University. Ulaong bau Dr. Aluk Singh udai bal dan benta bat kiwei kin hun seng bat kalong ka balingo bahdu shispa henro pongot ki Pulit kin wan ban ai jinga da tang yo we breu.
Kani ka jing kem yau ni Nongïalam kam dei ka jing kam halor bau dan keti ha kita ki kam pentriam hapo ban syo itai no hikai Henry kani nganget bat ni sung thu shai babaro hangne ni tep bagadai bet khnang tang ban pentran ki Samla Pule ki ba yaki persya yo ni vice chancellor nginget ba uni vice chancellor nadu kasngi bangi ki hau benai November chamladan hakani ka university tamba udang trang dek bon wan sani ka university ke jongi udang wat dakino gilat dakino kilenti ban parep haka jing syakam ka ba menen jong u presiden jong ka NEHUSU kamde tangka boy jong UVC Henry hangne lai dan ketilang dakini kino hikai bat dan ru kini ki khna ki badan kata affiliation bat kino kita kisang kiba yarap para maki Henry ni stu chai ba dalele nginum ailat uni visi po ungan rong senes po ka university ko jungi hadu kat no long ta pangsan ta no hikai ba dei tang marwei ba hadu sispa andre pautam kita ki Pulit pertan kinwan hane po university kata kadai tang kajing pentame ngi ki students Henry yo le se kadai kajing pha jong ni visi bat ba kumno ba unwan rong bayang sport hane ka university khanang ba undup sok ki sutu lada uwan hi marwai klam ka protection jongno ngi kum ki students nginum ailat dalele nginum ailat katto ngilai ki nadu asing ini kong khat reus ngi kan thi ngilai sya than hadu kini singi ki ba menta ngidang ya chkmat ngidang persya ni jingwan jong ne Henry gini ki ditang ki buit po ke jong ni UVC ba unyo wan rong sini po university kila ban kem yengi Henry kinum la ban kem pat ya ka mensem ka ba ngidon ban yele namata ka hok jong iwei pa iwei kena berkuliah apa kani ke university ki kwa ban kem ya usandi sa oten kilayo Henry sakat nungot pat ngindang syakam ni sutu syai kani ka jingle jong ni u nohikai na po hindi department ngimtep manu bale ngimtep manu bal kasdang kakut Henry la syupen penman bat la syupen kop badai ki Nongïalam jong kani husu ni nakliang boro arseng ni kondam ya kani ka jingle bak kajing syap harap jong ni Samla ubahap mentah tang nagi daw jongno bat ubami khmat ban keren na mata ka daw ba jong ka university hi barak hoi un hapan mat ikini ki jing mentah hangni ngiyeng hangni baro amdei tang mga lani amdei tang kini ki para bayang ne ki badan hak teng kajing ma kidan namar blai ki kwa ban tiet kin bomingi banginum keren na mata ka sur jong pise baro ki pat ki pulih ni ka university
Samla NEHU S Kharsati u General Secretary ka NEHUSU ulaang bakaru kamwan kem ki Pulit ya ki Samla Pule ka long ka Be-Aiñ. Namar ki wan ha ki uniform jongki bat khlam ka jingpen itu ka batikna. Ulaang ru baki Pulit ki kem lang yo weu Samla hendrai anda kila lap baki bakala kila penhiar no yu siteng lenti.
Do you really think just to protect one particular person you need 140 police forces?
Never.
To protect one particular, what is so special about this person that you have to deploy 140 police forces? Please keep this in mind. That investigation is already undergoing. But the kind of arrest which they made, this is very unwarranted and it is illegal. You can never arrest a person in the manner which they did. Without a proper uniform, coming inside an educational institute, without even notifying the head of the institute, without notifying anyone, and taking the students, and later on, dropping them midway. Dropping some of the students midway. Why? Because there was a mistake in identification of the students. No. Did they find anyone? No. So what this brings me to the conclusion that it was all a staged protest. It was all a staged FIR that was filed accusing us for something which we have not done. Let me tell you, there are numerous sexual harassment cases, if you guys don't know, that are still pending before in this university. Numerous sexual harassment cases towards the female students. The Vice Chancellor is not interested in solving those. However, upon receiving that one particular teacher has been alleged to have been assaulted, what does the Vice Chancellor do? He calls an emergent meeting of all the faculties of the university. Please note this. There are numerous sexual harassment cases that are pending that has not been solved yet. He is not interested in solving those. They're already pending cases. But when he comes to know that a particular teacher has been assaulted, or he alleged that he has been assaulted by the students' union, he takes a proactive step and he calls all the teachers of the university to come for the meeting and discuss how to decide this matter. Why do such kind of special privilege to be given to one particular person? Why I'm using the word privilege, it's because for one particular person, 140 police personnel, I don't think so. You know that this is not a very normal procedure. For one particular person, 140 police personnel are being deployed. Had it been any student, do you think that the administration would have taken such a proactive call? No. Any student. We are not against law and enforcement agency. But if law and enforcement agency does not come as per proper procedure, we are against them. We resist such kind of interventions. If you don't come with clean hands, we are not ready to accept you guys. The message is very loud and clear. We are not against them. But if they do not come with clean hands, the student union, the student community will resist. And today, we will show our resistance by following a signature campaign, whereby we will condemn the illegal arrest of the president of the students' union, followed by the illegal deployment of the police personnel inside the campus of the university without any proper approval, without any proper notification to the stakeholders of the university. As a mark of respect towards the fellow students who are being harassed, I myself, I'll be putting the first signature in this flex to ensure my support towards my student friends who are being harassed without any proper evidence, and also as a mark of resistance towards such oppression.
Pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bhak ke jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.